Hello there, we're going to go through the battle step. For this, you want to have the mace in a vertical position just off to one side, one hand on the tail and your lead hand about halfway up the mace. Now for this, you're going to take your lead leg step forward and you're going to strike down into the area in front of your hips. So strike down to the area in front of the hips and the mace will be level. I'm going to do this slowly. We bring the mace up vertically from its point. Now I am still on the same side as the strike. We switch the hands over. We step now the lead leg and strike. Switch the hands, strike, and you can do this backwards. Switch, strike, switch, strike. Now the challenge here is to make the mace stop when it's horizontal, so not going all the way through. Strike and stop. Switch, strike, stop. Switch, strike, stop. Have fun with that one. See how you can incorporate it into your workouts.